Today, we're talking about BMI, which is Broadcast Music Incorporated. My name is Kendra, and I help creators optimize their growth on YouTube. In the game of music marketing, strategy is everything. Broadcast Music Incorporated is a way that people can get paid for the performances of the songs that they have written. Before we can really understand what BMI does, we need to take a look at the basics of song royalties. Let's say that an artist creates a brand new composition. They have written the lyrics, they have the tune, the melody, everything is all ready to go. They have created a song. Then they record the song. This is considered two different entities. This is what allows people to have cover songs. They won't have the rights to that specific performance, but they could license the song that was written. So you have the song, and you have the performance of the song as two separate things. Performance rights organizations help make sure that artists get paid when other people are using their song. So BMI is one of three major PROs that we see in the United States. You've got ASCAP, SESAC, and BMI. So let's look specifically at BMI. BMI is a great option to help make sure that anyone that is using other people's music are getting the rights. Examples of performance rights might be if a television show wants to use your music in one of their episodes, they would then need to get performance rights to your song. You are going to get money because they played your song. Another example of how a performance rights organization can help is if someone wants to perform a variety show and they want to sell tickets for that variety show, BMI will take a percentage of ticket sales from that variety show's revenue and distribute it to the artists of whose songs were featured in that show. BMI is a nonprofit organization just like ASCAP. As I was getting into this field, I needed to learn a lot about music distribution, and I found that so much of the content online is way too complex. So I'm helping other people like me learn the very basics of music distribution and royalties at the most basic level. So there you have it. That is BMI. Let's take a look at some of the other options for performance rights organizations.